Alright guys, Don's garage here. We're still working on this Toyota Avalon, I guess it is. So now we got this exhaust problem we got to take care of up here. A little bit of the rot. I don't know, he was something about him when he moved this around and he damaged something or other, and I don't know. I think that's what he did. I think he put this down here. That's just in the spare tire thing, that don't matter. I think this is just rot from just rot. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta flange this guy too. That'll be fun, won't it? Huh? So I'll try to get this guy down from up there and there, and then get that mount on the back that they do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? See if you can slant it. It's the same as this one here, the rubber mount things. Yeah. Get that off. Then I can try to get one of those gaskets and all that jazz and see if I can quiet this up back here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, I can't, nobody wants to watch me drop a muffler, so this is what I've got going on right now. Alright, so I was able to get the muffler off. Yep, muffler off. Ground all that junk off down there. So now I'm going to try to get that flanged, except for New Year's. It's New Year's Day or Eve and everybody's closed, and I was going to go down and bother the guy to get me the flanges, but it's my fault because I took too long to find out what I needed, so I'm not going to ruin everybody else's day because I wasn't ready, huh? Alright, so I'll bring you back when I get them flanges. It'll be next week sometime. None of the other auto parts stores, the quickie, the big guys got any of those flanges in stock, and I don't want to make them. Could make them, but I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? Maybe someday I can figure out how to use this thing to its full potential, but no time soon, I don't think. So look. I haven't got the metal right there. I haven't got the metals. I haven't got the metals. Get the metals. Yeah, I do. I mean, right. Where's that? Right there. Just clean that guy up. I can make some, right? Got that metals. And I got this really heavy metals. Heavy metals right there. Right there. And you get the shots. But this is probably the guy I need. Right there. Make them right out of that. Should probably make a copy of the templates of the ones I've done already. See? Plus I have this guy here. But they may be as thick as they are. Huh? Yeah, it's too big. Too small. Too small. Because if I bring that over there and try to put it on there, it just fits the the pipe, so that's not big, not wide enough. So not wide enough. Yep. Remind me to copy the templates of the flanges, so I can make my own, maybe. Huh? Maybe. I gotta have some more metal around here somewheres. But yeah. Alright. This is probably as big as the other stuff is, but yeah. I forgot to show you how that pipe turned out right there. Huh? Yeah, right there. Can you sound it? I might not even finished it up and got carried away at trying to get it done. See it? See, and I don't think I finished up welding it. May have to go back to it, huh? Oh, shoot. Well, I welded one side and I welded the other, but I didn't finish up that crack, but I think it looks pretty good. I'll have to slide the weld underneath here and buzz that. I don't think it'll come apart, but huh? Anyways, that's that. Got like no room to do anything in here. Have to crawl around everything. And see, I got the muffler off. I think I showed you that over here. And I'm waiting on those flanges. That's right, I think I did tell you that. These flanges, and the place is closed right now, so yep, it's closed for the holiday. Happy New Year to you guys out there. It's New Year's Day, and I don't know, didn't want to do much, but had to put up a video for this week. Not a lot going on. We just got some muck last night, freezing rain muck, and yeah, it was slippery out. It was slippery. If you social media, I put up a couple. So there. Put one video up of one Jeep flipped over its top. I seen this morning, and then on the way back, I seen another white SUV flipped over kind of weird. It was like way back in the trees backwards on an angle, which I didn't understand how far they were way back there. This is the muck we got now. People just don't slow down. They just want to keep cranking. So, well, just keeps. Anyways, and then they're showing some more muck coming across, so, yep. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Alright, leave a comment at the bottom, subscribe, and we'll bring you back when we get back going, doing something. You know what I'm saying?